Hi, sweetheart. Hi, my name is Preetha. I welcome you to my channel. In today's video, we are going to make a dish using chana dal. Chana dal is called Kichererbsen, also called chickpeas. It's a very popular street food. So for that, I'm taking 2 large onions. We're going to cut it now. Once our onions are finely chopped, we're going to grab 3 large tomatoes and chop them finely as well. Set it aside, and then we will take ginger and garlic in equal quantities. I'll be cooking 5 cups of chickpeas that were soaked overnight. There are 3 ways to eating this dish. One is with rotis, the other one is with puris, and third with rice. There's one other interesting way. Well, I'll save it for the last bit of the video. We're going to take enough ginger and garlic and pound it into a coarse paste. We need equal portions of ginger and garlic. We will take about 1.5 tablespoons of this coarse paste. 4 clove buds, 1/2 piece of cinnamon stick, 3 cardamom pods. I'm going to smack them, by the way. We have 2 bay leaves. Then we have all powder ingredients. First, we've got some coriander powder, 1.5 tablespoons of it. Then I have red chili powder that is going to be according to preference. 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala, then 1.5 teaspoon of cumin seeds. I will be splitting these cumin seeds into 2. One part will go into the ginger garlic paste to be ground, and the next part we will use when we fry our onions. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. If you want a starting point for chili powder, it will be 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to taste. We're going to take a little bit out of this one, this much. Yeah, put it in there. Let's grind. I'm just going to add a little bit of oil. Kidding. I'll just add enough oil to cover the bottom of it. Our cinnamon stick is about 2 inches long. Our first star of the show, which is our cinnamon stick, then our 4 clove buds. Then, oh wait, I have to smack them. I have to smack my cardamom pods. Let's put the bay leaves though. For this recipe, I want the sweetness of the cardamom seeds and nothing more. Remove the husk and just add the little seeds inside. Now our oil is hot and ready for us to add our finely chopped up onions. For this recipe, we don't want our onions to get caramelized. We only want them to be soft and well cooked. So we're going to watch for that. We're going to constantly keep stirring. And while that's getting done, we will start putting our chickpeas into the pressure cooker with salt and a little bit of baking soda. We'll need about 1 inch of water on top of the chickpeas before we close the lid. You want a little bit of salt and about 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in it. And cook for 7 whistles straight on high heat if you want to save some time. Now let's concentrate on getting our base ready. Our onions are well cooked, so let's go ahead and add our ginger garlic paste along with those cumin seeds ground. As I'm getting ready to add the dry powder ingredients, let me remind you the amount one more time. It will be a tablespoon and a half of coriander powder. Then we have 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and quarter teaspoon of garam masala. Add a little bit of water now and then if you see the base or our mixture sticking to the bottom. Continue cooking. Our onions are quite soft at this point, so that means we are ready to add our chopped up tomatoes. Just add a little bit of water at a time. Don't have a situation where you have a lot of water and a little bit of chickpeas floating in it. Seven whistles later, we have our chickpeas ready. I'm able to crush it between my fingers and it still retains a form. This is the perfect stage. Let's add our chickpeas to the base that is cooked and ready. Let me rescue my poor fork. I got it. We're gonna crush a little bit of the chickpeas and add it to this gravy. This is a very quick and easy way to thicken our gravy, and it tastes awesome. The fourth way of eating this. We eat this as a snack as well. This is the popular street food. You will use nothing but a few onion pieces to sprinkle on top with a little bit of coriander leaves chopped up and a few tomatoes, maybe a few pieces of green chilies. But you need to let this gravy thicken quite a bit so that you can pick it up easily with a spoon. Sometimes you also add small pieces of puris to it. Our dish is done. If you like this video, give it a like and share it with your friends. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.